It's Saturday, so you know what that means. It means it's time for a car show. So we're going to give you a car show right now, right here, right at this very moment. We're going to give you a car show. I know last week we had a little issue with a video not working out, so I gave you a quick impromptu video. Promise you a car show, you got a car show. Today, we have another car show. We're back to our normal car show format. Is it goofy? Can I look at the camera? It's goofy, so don't worry. We got a car show here. Today we're looking at a car that's actually sitting right behind me here. Not that one. Where am I pointing? I'm looking at the camera. That one. That guy. This is coming to you because it was requested. It was seen behind me. It was requested. We are looking at the 1979 MPC Nova. Today's car show. Let's take a look. Let's go to the song. Let's go to the car show. We're all going to the car show. We're gonna take a look at some cars at the car show. Everybody come with me to the car show. So, welcome back to the car show. As you know, it is Saturday, as you know by the intro, and we have a car show where we look at cars that you, the subscriber, would like to look at. Now, I'm going around the table here, and it's probably the same cars you've seen before in a while here, and I'm going to change that up a little bit so you guys can see a little bit more. I do a daily slideshow every day and give you bench updates on what's going on. So today we have a pick. Sorry. Today we have a pick. It's a model I did actually maybe about 3 years ago. It was chosen by, I should say, Ed's Attention to Detail. Now, if you don't know Ed, go check out Ed. There will be a link listed below. Ed's Attention to Detail. He's got a lot of stuff going on, a lot of good stuff. I think you all greatly appreciate what's going on there. So, Ed, thank you for watching, and thank you for choosing the MPC 1979 Nova. Now, Ed saw this one sitting way back over here where I do my intro stuff. As you can see, I've taken down some of the stuff there to get to this car. So, I do not have the box cover for this because I only recently started saving the box covers. So, somewhere along the edges here, I'll post a picture I found on the internet of the box cover. So, this little kit is a pretty cool little MPC guy. Now, I should tell the story before I get to this one here. This is the that little police car that they have. It had the police decal graphics all across it. So, I bought this kit. I don't remember where I bought it from. Probably Hobby Lobby or a local hobby store. Because I thought it was kind of cool. I'm into late 70s, early 80s little cars, little ugly little cars. And online, I found a picture, and I looked for you guys a picture online, the picture, I should say, of a white one of these, just like this, with these really cool hubcaps and a blacked out grille. If we could focus. So, that's exactly what I did. The really cool white one with the wheels, which I happen to find. These wheels are off a AMT 69 Firebird kit. So, the kit itself, very basic. It's MPC. What can I say? So, you pick it up. It's actually one of these MPCs that stay together. Bottom, underneath, typical engine. Little single exhaust coming through. The rear suspension and the drive shaft is all one piece. Engine was just a few pieces. Like I said, very, very simple MPC kit. So with enough colors, you can make it look good. Did it a red? Not sure why red. Did a red with the aluminum manifold, chrome valve covers. Everything else black. For some reason, I did the headers are yellow. Yeah, you did. Look at that. The headers are yellow, which is really cool. And then it's got the little brake boost. Focus. It's not going to want to. So that's the engine for you. Very basic. Like I said, MPC back in the days made some really basic kits. Interior, I did it just standard gray. Oh, there you go. There's a stick there. Looks like I did a black floor on it because I got the black back. So as soon as it focuses, should it focus? It's not going to focus. Well, either way, it's gray with a black floor. Gray seats, black floor. Looking at this kit, I should probably say the front grille, totally blacked it out here, just like the picture of the real one. The bumper guard on the bumper here, that's just Sharpie. Just go around it on a Sharpie, give it a couple passes, wait for it to dry. It looks really good. So, going through the pictures that I saw online just now, looking for the actual picture of the real car I based this off of, I noticed that the pillar here on a lot of these are black, and I did not do any of the window trim on the side. I may go back and just do all that. I did the window trim on the front. It's all hand painted, and the back. But didn't do nothing on the sides or the doorknob. May go back. Just to break up the white, because now I'm looking at it, I really don't like the white. In fact, I make them take the body off and maybe just the whole top a different color and leave the bottom white. As I'm looking at it, I realize I did not put taillights on it. Way to go, Chris. Way to go. But I did paint around the taillights, so that's kind of interesting. And I know now I would not have those pieces anymore. Like I said, the wheels are off a 69 Firebird kit. The rest of the car is stock. These MPC kits, now I know a lot of people bash some of these MPC kits. I'm going to go on a rant here for a second. Some people bash the MPC kits. I really enjoy some of the old MPCs because they are kind of easy to build. This one, the early 80s Volare kit, which I built a couple of. Probably should do some videos of that. They're easy, they're fun. They put them together really well. They sit really well. You can see there's got a real nice stance on it. You know, the simplicity for me, it makes it really, really good. And that's what I enjoy. So this one here, I'm looking at it, thinking I may redo the trim, do the pillar black, color in the wheels a little bit, just to give it a little more life, I think. Like I said, it's a fun kit. I know it's not readily available right now. Highly recommend it. It looks really cool in the collection. In fact, I know the Nova went away for the citation, and I did the monogram citation, actually. So this is kind of the car that came afterwards. The hood's falling there. So, like I said, I'm kind of into early 80s small ugly cars. This and the Volare, and I like those things. So I don't have a lot to talk about on this one. So I'm just kind of rambling here. So Ed, from Ed's Attention to Details, not decals. Ed's Attention to Details. Like I said, there will be a link to Ed's page in my description of this here. Ed, thank you. Everyone else, thank you for watching. Really appreciate you guys watching. If you're, well, I know you guys like to leave me comments. I read them all. I'm trying to respond to everybody's comments lately. If you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. Subscribers get to pick the cars in the car show. So if you guys want to see something cool, just let me know. So I'm going to just take a walk over here because you guys seen these all here. So I'm just going to take a walk real quick here and just show some of the cars here. If you guys see something you like, let me know, because I could totally do a video for you. So like I said, I don't have a lot to talk about in the Nova. Nice little MPC kit. I can't stress that enough. Little MPCs. But, yeah. So, guys, today is Saturday. That means it's a car show day. These cars down here ain't really that great. So, it is car show day. So, thank you for watching. And I shall see you guys next time.